Ever been stuck with that flat tire in the middle of nowhere? Well, today I've got the perfect solution for you. This is the Lasfit air inflator, and it's about to change the way you handle flat tires. We'll be testing the speed, durability, and ease of use, but does it really work as well as they claim? Stick around to find out. I'm Ben from Drive Talk Cars, and we're putting this gadget to the test. If you're ready to never worry about a flat tire again, hit the like button and let's get started. All right, so first and foremost, I'd like to say a shout out to Lasfit. They sent me this portable air inflator. I really wanted one, so it was perfect timing, but they asked me to do a review on it, giving my honest opinion, as I always do. So let's get into it. So you probably have heard of an air inflator. They do come in different sizes. This particular model is their biggest unit. It does SUV and truck tires, car tires, bike tires, as well as basketballs and things of that nature. Let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, so first things first is let's look at what you get. You get this nice carrying case. It comes with a strap. This holds everything that you need. So that's pretty nice. It's got a hard case on the bottom and the top. So it's structured, not flimsy. Open that up. You get your manual, get the actual unit. Then you get some accessories here. Now these accessories are your hoses. You get two of them. Not exactly sure why just yet. You get a cigarette lighter adapter. That way, if the battery is dead, you can always use the cigarette lighter or the 12 volts. You get USB right there. So it's a USB-C to USB-A or standard USB to charge it. Get some more accessories. These look like for when you're blowing up the balls. You get the needle and another air nozzles. And then you get this one. So this is the car valve adapter. The product comes in a nice case, nice accessories, and the product overall looks really nice and quality built. All right, so we can put that to the side. So this section here is the LCD. You long press it to turn it on. Of course, you have your PSI, and then you have the battery indicator, as well as what preset you have and the amount of air that's going to be put in there, PSI. So it has a mode button here, plus, minus, will control how much you're going to inflate your object by. So you have your presets. We got a truck, it looks like a bicycle, a motorcycle, and a ball, and then a person. Not sure what that is, and that's everything on the LCD. You long press it and it turns it off, says off. On top here, we have a light. We have USB-C, like I said, for charging. And then we have another USB standard. All right, so if we're gonna charge it, we will use our cable, plug it in here, USB Type-C. Then you're gonna need a block to put it on. So this doesn't come with it. You can get your own. You probably have it on something, I'm sure, your cell phone or anything. Plug that in and then plug it into the wall. All right, so you see me plug in the unit. It was at about 2 bars when I plugged it in, but when I did plug it in, it was only showing 1. So after, I don't know, overnight, I plugged it in around 7 o'clock, came back next morning, it was still charging, and then at some point through the day, it stopped. So I say if you have to charge it, just plug it in at nighttime and let it charge overnight. A little bit on that, so let's see it in use. We've seen the accessories, we've seen kind of some of the features, so let's actually put it to use. All right, so obviously the main purpose of why you probably use it if you're watching the channel is because you got automotive, but it does fill up balls. So let's see it fill up a ball using the preset that it has. All right, so first things first, we're gonna take the needle, one of the hoses, and we're gonna plug in the needle. I really like that it has the spinning element, so you don't have to rotate the whole cable. You know, you just turn this part and it screws on. So that's nice, got that. Then in the top here, this is where you insert the other end of the hose, this part here. We put it in there. We're gonna turn it until you hear a click sound, indicating that it's locked. You're good to go. All right, so let's do the ball. You can see flat, plug this into the part here. Bloop, put this flat on the ground. All right, so we're gonna turn it on. Then we're gonna select the ball feature, and then we're going to inflate it. Here's the power button. So that's that. Let's see. Oh yeah, that might be it. Pull it out. First shot. All right, so it looks like that is a plus for the ball. Perfect inflation, didn't take too long. It was about maybe 8 seconds or so. Noise was okay, I mean, it's doable. And we have a perfect inflated ball. So as I mentioned, it comes with other adapters. It comes with this for toys, for inflatable things like this. Or you got your other adapter for your bicycle wheel, so you can inflate things like this. All right, let's try the bike. All right, so we picked the bicycle icon there. Then all we do is push this. And then we're done. Tire is full and we're good. Yeah, that's nice. It was so fast. All right, so as you see, this can do a number of things: inflate the ball, toy like a floating device, bicycle tire. But the main attraction, I think, for most of us will be inflating an automobile tire, either your truck or your car. So let's see how that works. The best thing I like about this is that it's kind of a set it and forget about it. So it has an auto shut off. You set it to whatever PSI that you want. It has the presets, which are nice, so you don't have to really think about that if you don't know what PSI certain items are. So that's the biggest takeaway, is that it's fast, it has the auto shut off, and it has the presets. Presets are actually pretty nice. All right, so far so good. I'm really enjoying the product. As you can see, you can use it for multiple applications, but for the primary use of what I would use it for will probably be for the car tires. I'll put it in the back of the trunk. That way I have it always with me. But anyway, so let's see how it works on the car. I'm gonna be using a quick connector to inflate the tire, and let's see what it does. All right, so we know that I have a good tire on here. It's full right now. We're gonna deflate it for testing purposes so we can try it from a flat state to a fully inflated state. All right, so we have deflated the tire. Maybe hard to see that it is deflated because it is a low profile tire, but it is. It's at around 15 PSI at the moment. All right, so we're gonna plug this up here. Turn it on. So what you see there is the current PSI. So we're gonna switch it to car. It says 37 PSI is the recommended for this preset. It currently is at 12. So we just push the power button and then let it go. Push the power button. All right, as you see there, it stopped right at 37 PSI. So that's currently, this is what it was set to. This is what's in there now. Unplug it, good to go. All right, so one little takeaway is this little thing right here. If you can see it, it's a little tab right there. Be careful of that on your wheel, because I believe I scratched mine a little bit right there. So just be careful of that. You don't want to put that part into that. Flip it around and have it on the inside or away from the wheel. All right, so there you have it. It did pretty good. As you can see there, it used 1 bar of the battery after doing the ball, the bicycle, the tube, and the tire. Not bad. It's not too loud. The one thing I would say, it does get hot, which probably is expected. So this tubing won't burn you, but it is kind of warm to the touch. This is kind of warm to the touch. So just be careful on that. But all in all, solid product. If you want to get this product, I'll have a link down in the description below, as well as a discount. So check out that down below, or I'll post it up here somewhere, here, one of those places. But this is the Lasfit Air portable air inflator. I highly recommend it. You don't have to take my word for it. Check it out for yourself. Found this video useful, please give me that thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button as well as that little notification bell. That way you don't miss out on future videos. And remember, do it till you can't. Till next time, I'm out.